Garrett was my first metal detector. When I first decided to go metal detecting, I Googled it up, see what I can find. And I wanted to find a machine that I can use in the water. I Googled and said that the best machine for that is the Garrett Sea Hunter. It can go up to 200 feet under the water. So I was like, that's it, that's the one I need. The problem is that this is a post-induction machine. This thing picks up everything. So I'm digging up everything on the beach. It wasn't the right machine for me. I'm looking at the beach, I'm looking at the shoreline, and I'm trying to find the coins, I'm trying to find the jewelry. So I need a scalpel. This is the scalpel. This thing can pick the coins, can pick the jewelry. The Garrett is more like a chainsaw. It picks up everything. It's a great machine. It goes very deep. It finds everything. But I'm spending 70 to 80% of the time digging up junk. Nails, screws, everything in the beach. It's not the right machine. You learn. So I'm switching from that to this. Let's go. This is what I decided to buy for my second machine, the Equinox 600. The reason I wanted to buy this one is because I can use it in a park. It has park 1, park 2. Park 1 is you're searching, and the park doesn't have that many trash. Park 2 is when it has a lot of steel, a lot of trash, a lot of bottle caps. You use park 2. Field 1, field 2, the same thing. If it doesn't have too much trash, you use field 1. If you have a lot of trash, you use field 2. Then it has beach. You can use it in the water, you can use it outside the water. And it also has beach 1, beach 2. Beach 1 is outside in the sand, beach 2 is in the water. You can use it with multi-frequency. This is a multi-frequency machine, so it can use all frequencies at one time and see what's underneath, or you can use it with a single frequency. Only the beach mode, it doesn't let you do that. You can only use multi-frequency. The frequencies that this thing uses is 5, 10, and 50 megahertz. Now, I was choosing between these and 2 others. I was looking at the Equinox 800. The Equinox 800 has 2 more frequencies, higher frequencies, so you can find smaller and smaller stuff. It's used to find nuggets. I'm living in Florida. There's no gold nuggets anywhere around here, so I'm not gonna be needing that option. And in the Equinox 800, you'll fine tune it a little more. It gives you more options to fine tune it when you become more professional. I decided it's not worth the money. The difference between this one and the other one, the Equinox 800, is $300. This one cost me $600. The other one would have cost me $900. Another one I was looking at was the Legend. Now the Legend is a new company, and it's more comparable to the Equinox 800. But the reason I didn't choose it is because it is a new company. So it being a new company or a new machine, it's, I always get the feelings, they don't get everything right. So I wanted to go one that was proven. So this is the one. Let's open it up. Here you have a list of everything that's inside the box. This is some accessories you can buy. It comes with an 11-inch coil. One of the biggest complaints about this is these little ears here, the rabbit ears. People complain that they break. So there's an attachment you can put on here that will make them stronger. You can buy them aftermarket. This is the charger. This is for the handle, the strap. Little guidebooks. And this is for the front of the detector, for the screen. Screen protector, it comes in different languages. This part, the handle goes this way, I believe, yep. This in here. Here's that. You plug this back here. Now, this one can also be used with Bluetooth. The 800 comes with cordless. It has Bluetooth. This is also Bluetooth capable. So you can buy one of these that is Bluetooth and you don't need a cord. Nice and sturdy. Also nice and sturdy. That's it. That's all that's inside. Very simple. Now let's put it together. Let's start with a handle. Here. This strap here, to here, put it to one side, the other side, all the way. We're done. These rubber pieces go right in here. One on one side and one on the other. attached right back here. And that is it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Now we're gonna go. We're gonna charge it up. The charger goes right back here, right this spot. And then we're gonna do a little bit of testing. Let's go. First, we're going to try out the Sea Hunter Mark II. To turn it on, it's this lever right here. As you can see, there's no screen, there's just different levers. You're going to hear up to 4 little beeps. If you don't hear any beep, that means the battery is too low. It won't work. It was 3 beeps this time, so yes, the battery's good enough. Then you raise this bar here, where you can hear a slight sound, a hum, and you're ready to go. Our first target is going to be a bottle cap. See? This is a pulse induction, so you have to keep the coil moving. So when it goes over, when it's the loudest, it's in the middle. Pull tab. Silver ring, 5 cents, earring, and my favorite, tent spike. Let's put a gold ring for luck. The Sea Hunter does have some discrimination. Over here, discrimination, trash elimination. So you put it on that. This lever here, it discriminates. The higher it goes, the more things to get rid of it. So I found out that the perfect spot is number 6. Lower than that, it picks up everything. Higher than that, you pick up nothing. Okay, let's see how it does now. All right, again, we're going to start with the bottle cap. Can hear it. Pull tab. We still see that. Still hear it. Let's see the silver ring. Still there. How about 5 cents? Nope, 5 cents is gone. We won't pick it up. How about this earring? Nope. That earring we're never gonna get. And finally, always get one of these. Let's put the gold ring out there again, see if it catches it this time. Yep, it still finds the gold ring. That's a good thing. All right, now we're gonna try out the Equinox for the first time. We're gonna keep this nice and simple. First, let's turn it on. We press the side button over here, on and off. We press the little gear in the middle, put it up in the air, press the accept and reject. This is for noise canceling. Press again. Now, this is for ground balance. So you press the accept and reject, and you go up and down. That's it for right now. Now, let's try the battle cap. Nickel. Iron spike. This is a silver ring. And an earring. Now let's try this spike again. Let's see what happens with a 10 spike. An old penny. Spike again. This is silver chain. And they ring again. Now, what would happen if I put this quarter next to the iron piece? Would it detect it or not? Little bit. How about the 10 spike? Just finding it. With the Sea Hunter, you need the headphones. It does not work without the headphones. The Equinox, you can use headphones or you cannot use headphones, whatever you prefer. In the Sea Hunter, you cannot control the volume, so if it's too loud, tough. In the Equinox, you can't control the volume. You can push it up and down. I still got things to learn about this new machine. We're going to learn about it together, and we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. So, thank you for coming with us. Live long and cherish every minute of it. If you liked the video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Remember to comment and subscribe. Thank you.